Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley, aka Pretty Hippie, and I'm back with another video. Guys, like, I feel like it's been so long since I have been on YouTube. However, we had Christmas, New Year's, and we had an awesome time. I hope everybody had an amazing holiday season this year. Well, last year, because mine was absolutely nothing short of amazing. Like, we hosted Christmas at our house and my entire family came over. We played games, we danced, we laughed, and it was just like a beautiful moment. And after Christmas, for New Year's, our friend Marquise came to stay with us for a whole week. So we were just like on the go, like every day doing something, like just being super adventurous. And last but not least, my cousin has a new baby and they came from Arkansas to visit, so I spent a lot of time with them while they were here. So the end result is I didn't put out a YouTube video for about 3 weeks, which is a long time for me because I normally upload once a week, which we are back on track now. Okay, you don't have to worry about me going MIA because I'm back and it's a new year. Happy New Year to everybody. 2019, we going hard, man. We going hard. That's all I can say. Okay? Yes, we are. And I know you are too. I've been seeing a lot of positive affirmations for this year and it just has me pumped. It has me excited. Like, I legit could not wait until I could get an opportunity to record. And I'm here and I feel like I'm home. Anyway, so if you guys had a happy holiday and happy new year, please let me know how it went in the comments below. I would love to hear how your holiday season went. What did you do? What did you eat? Like, where'd you go? That type of thing. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video, guys. This is my 16-month lock update. Now, I'm a little late with the 16-month lock update, like I said, because I could not record these past few weeks because I had a lot going on. But I'm here. My locks are still 16 months. Locks turned 16 months on the 19th of December. So yeah, I've been 16 months for quite some time now. I'm about to be 17 months soon. So I'll have that video up shortly. So it may not seem like it's the actual month, but I'm just late posting this video. But let's just jump right into the locks because I know that's why y'all came. Y'all want to know about the locks, what's going on, what's been happening. And the answer is nothing. Like, they're just growing. Like, I feel like I say that in every single lock update, guys, because that's it. That's the truth. Like, the only thing that's happening with my locks, I'm noticing that they're growing. The frizzies are gone, so they don't look quite as thick as they used to be. Like, they still may be full, but they're not like chunky and fat and frizzy like they used to be. So yeah, so I don't mind that though, because they are growing longer. So it's like, it kind of makes up for that, if that makes sense. Like, I like the thick look, and whatever my locks decide to do, I'm with it. I'm for it. Like, I thought about combining some locks, but I'm like, no. Like, I'll think about doing something, and then I'm always like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna let my hair do what it does. I'm gonna let them mature a lot more before I make any decisions. Like, maybe 2 or 3 years down the road, if I feel like a lock is way too small, I may combine it. But I feel like they're still maturing, you know, still going through that development stage, because like, I'm only a year and some months locked, so I know my hair is not like mature, because I still get budding and all that stuff. And to me, honestly, they look like locks, but they don't look like locks, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, so now the products that I had been using, guys, the same products that I always use. Natural oils, whether it be castor oil, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, all your natural oils I'm slapping it in my hair. Like, as long as it's natural, you know, as long as it's from the earth, I will use it in my locks. And water, I fill my water bottle up with distilled water and just pour essential oils in there, like lavender, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, clove leaf oil, and I just kind of make an essential oil mixture and spray it on my hair. I spray my hair with water pretty much every day. Like lately I haven't though, because I've just been wearing a scarf, because I've just been at home for the past few days because I've been so exhausted from like all the activities that were going on in the prior week. So I've just been wearing my scarf and big t-shirts around the house. So I really have been neglecting my hair, but that's okay. Sometimes you need a break. Sometimes you just need to just take a little chill, you know, and just not worry about anything. And I did it. I feel great. I feel rejuvenated. I feel energized. As you can tell, like, I'm all like hype. But yeah, so that's pretty much it with the products. Like the rose water, I ordered my rose water from Amazon or Etsy. It just depends. Like, Etsy has the big rose water, like the one in bulk. If I just need it real quick, I'll order the one from Amazon that comes in like the normal size spray bottle. So a product that I have added to my regimen is a natural organic oil from California Country Organics. And she sent me this oil and she said it was good for locks and it's natural organic, and you know I'm all for it. So when I use this oil, like, now y'all know I love a good natural oil, like hands down. Like, I've tried different oils on this channel and I'll give a review on how it works. This oil is a really good oil. Like, it left my hair so moisturized and just shiny. Like, I was like, okay, so I definitely have to give this oil a thumbs up, and I will leave the link below to where you can purchase this oil. Like I said, it's really good. Like, I did a review on my Instagram live as well, talking about this oil, and I would recommend it. And she also sent me this body butter from her line as well, and I am obsessed with body butters, natural organic body butters, because I really don't buy lotion and stuff from the store because lotions have so many chemicals. So whenever I see like someone that has a natural body butter, I'm jumping on it, like with all natural ingredients. I use the butters on my baby as well. Like, I am a body butter hoarder. I have so many body butters in my room, like from local natural body butters. Like, I just have an obsession. Like, anytime I see somebody posting a body butter, I'm like, ooh, let me get one. So yeah, her body butter is like a shea butter consistency, and it goes on so smooth, and it just like melts in your hand, and it like instantly moisturizes. Like, my hands are so soft, and it doesn't have a loud smell either, so you know it's natural. Like, if somebody give you a body butter and it got like a perfumey smell, you already know it's not natural 9 times out of 10. But this has a very natural, earthy, shea buttery, cocoa butterish scent to it, and I give it a thumbs up. And the last product that she sent me is the skin scrub. Now, I have not used the skin scrub just yet. Oh, but I plan on it. When I have my mommy me time and I want to take a bath in my jacuzzi tub and just relax, I will definitely be using this, and I will let you guys know how I like it when I use it. But other than that, guys, nothing has really changed with my hair. Like, I'm just gonna get up in the camera so you can see, like, it's just growing. Like, that's pretty much what's going on here. The frizzies are going away, and we're just rocking it. Like, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments below. Feel free to ask me questions. Like, I'm here, this is what I do. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, world peace.